Hi everyone, my name is Benitha and yeah, welcome again to another vlog. So guys, if you're new, most welcome, and if you're a 10 subscriber, you know I treasure you a lot. So guys, in today's vlog, as you can see, I'm going to be cooking for you the pilau rice.
If you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Okay, so to those who don't know how pilau rice is cooked, you're gonna stay tuned to the rest of this video because you're going to be knowing more of how to cook your pilau rice, and I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients, like what else, everything just cheneye, okay, kugira ngo take pilau yawe. So I hope you're gonna enjoy, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment, and also share kugira ngo twese tumenye guteka pilau. So it's because many of my friends were like, so we're gonna share with us how you cook some of your recipes also. Today later on I decided to kubereka uko nteka pilau, so hope you're gonna enjoy, and without being said, let's quickly dive into our video. Okay guys, so let's go take pilau, sibyo mbere uko bateka ipilau, mbere ibirungo byose bikenewe. So nkuko muri kubibona ndatangira na soya sauce. Okay, soya sauce dark nkuko muri kubibona, dufite black pepper nkuko muri kubibona, dufite pilau masala nkuko muri kubibona, and dufite chicken masala because I'm using chicken inkoko. So yeah, whatever you can get, beef or chicken, it's up to you. It depends on the flavor you love. Okay, so we are also having onions and also pavro. I don't know how these ones are called, and I'm going to be using Tanzania TZ rice. So what else? And also, so anga dufite onions, pavlo, or I don't know how these ones are called, and also sungrutum, okay. So yeah, so dufite n'inkoko hano, okay, no inyama zisanzwe. So guys, I'm done, and it didn't took that much minutes because it took like 20 minutes. So it's not easy, it's not like complicated as I thought. So, and yeah, let's together see okay? Let's just my first pilau right? So alright? So okay. Ta-da! Let's count. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So guys, this is how it came. Ntabwo ugize ishirira, nta na kimwe yabaye, so like everything is cool, nice, ntabwo yafatanye, ntabwo nzi ko umuceri mu Tanzania uri buze kunkorera ibitangaza. So yeah, this is all about copying from YouTube, okay? So as I was telling you that this is all about copying from YouTube, and hope also you copied something. And let me know if you're going to be cooking this recipe at your home for your goodness, for your princess treatment, or for your prince treatment, and for your family as well. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'm glad that, and I'm happy that I cooked today because I love cooking new things. I'm learning and also putting those things I learned into practice. It makes my day. So hope also you're gonna try this recipe at home, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to tell you to just like to practice by yourself. So as ungire muri comment ngati looking forward to getting more comments. So guys, I hope to see you in the next cooking vlog, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to share, okay? So for others to see, it's very simple. It was like very simple recipe to see for me, okay? So guys, let me wrap up here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And what else? Without being said, let me just stop by here, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year as well of 2025. I didn't do that wish. I wish you everything, and hope you guys, today is Saturday and I'm posting this today or tomorrow Sunday. So yeah, let me stop right here, and this is my last video of 2025 cooking. Oh no, of 2024 year cooking. And yeah, let's see you tomorrow or next year. Have a happy new year and Merry Christmas, and hope you enjoy. And you guys, what else? So bye guys, peace, and I love you.